Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money on RedNote. If you're looking to earn money on RedNote, there are several ways to monetize your content as your audience grows. So firstly, to get started, you need to open your RedNote and make sure you have created a complete and attractive profile. You can simply go to the profile icon in the bottom right, and here you need to add a profile picture, write a clear bio, and consistently post high quality content that matches your niche, such as beauty, fashion, travel, fitness, food, or technology. And next, focus on growing your audience by posting regularly and engaging with other users. You need to reply to comments, follow creators in your niche, and use relevant hashtag to help more people discover your content. And as your account grows, you may become eligible for brand collaboration. Many companies work with creators to promote product or service through sponsored posts and videos. And brands often look for creators with an engaged audience rather than just a high follow account. And to increase your chances of success, you need to post consistently, follow current trends, use high quality photos and videos, and create content that provides value to your audience. And that's it. That's how you can make money on RedNote by creating valuable content, growing your audience, and taking advantage of partnership. You can turn your account into a source of income. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.